guys, it's Coleman from YouTube. We're going to be showing how to make a mini lava lamp using some water, some oil. I'm going to be using canola oil for this video, some food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. So first you want to take your oil. You don't want to fill the glass all the way. You want to fill it up just a little bit. Just want to fill it up. Just about there. Then we take the water, we dump it in. See, if you look inside, because the oil is lighter than the water, it's actually floating. Now you want to take some food coloring. This case will go red, and you want to drip some inside of the oil. Then the food coloring is going to mix in. Type it, and then you get your Alka-Seltzer. You drop it in. It's starting. There you go. There you go. There you have yourself a mini lava lamp. The Alka-Seltzer is fizzing down there, which is fizzing inside the water, pushing up the food coloring, but then the water-based food coloring is going to fall back. The process keeps going over and over again. Making a noise too. Make like a fizzy noise. And it looks like it's like erupting out the bottom. If you look at it, it's like an eruption happening, and the water-based food coloring is falling down in drops. It'll keep doing this until the Alka-Seltzer is gone. So anyways, that was our first experiment. Honestly, I like this one. Really nice. But I just stopped working. I think the Alka-Seltzer is already gone. Now next one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a rain cloud. So what you're going to need is some shaving cream, a cup of water, and the food coloring. Basically, first you want to fill your cup to where it has like a cloud. My shaving cream. Then what I do is you take your food coloring, go with yellow, and it is falling right through the shaving cream. Yeah, a lot, there you go. Yep, that's basically, guys, how you make a little rain cloud. Right, that's it for the video. you guys like, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Alright, that's it.